Movie explain Ichi the Killer. Ichi the Killer is a 2001 Japanese crime thriller directed by Takeshi Miki, known for its extreme violence and disturbing content. The film follows Ichi, a mentally unstable man who becomes a pawn in a complex web of manipulation and violence orchestrated by a mysterious figure named Gigi. Ichi is easily manipulated and becomes a ruthless killer, carrying out violent acts against members of rival Yakuza factions. He is pursued by Kakehara, a sadomasochistic Yakuza enforcer who seeks both revenge and a sadistic pleasure from the pursuit. The film's ending